Here are some tips for you to have healthy, amazing hair. My name is Arvind Manan. On this channel, I talk about grooming, fitness, motivation, and a lot more. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon because I upload videos like this every single week and I wouldn't want you to miss any of it. Now, that's out of the way, let's get into it. The first tip is use a comb and use it on frequent basis. Don't just use your fingers to style your hair, use a comb or a brush every now and then to make sure that your hair is untangled so that it won't break when you are sleeping or towel dry your hair. Now, the second tip is use less shampoo. First, you need to understand that the purpose of your shampoo is to take away that junk and dust from your hair and scalp, but it also takes away that oil, natural oil, and nutrients that your hair needs, making it super dry. So make sure that you don't use a lot of it and use it less frequently. Depending on your lifestyle, use it once or twice a week. The third tip is use a conditioner or a moisturizer for your hair. Now, you can use a conditioner on daily basis. That said, you don't need to use it on daily basis. It depends on your lifestyle. You can use it once or twice a week or every other day. It depends on you and your lifestyle. The fourth tip is use less product. Now, you don't need a lot of product to style your hair, especially the ones with high hold. You just need to emulsify it well before applying it, and it will get the job done by making sure that your hair stays the way you want it throughout the day. The fifth tip is something not many guys do, that is applying hair oil. Now, you don't need to apply a lot of it, just few drops depending on your hair length. Apply it from your scalp to the hair, and not just this, every other product on the list, apply it from your scalp to the hair. That's the right way to do it. And those were the 5 tips for you to have healthy, amazing hair. Now, if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button. If you learned something new, subscribe. And that's it for today. See you next time.